What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Kayla DeReese and welcome back to my channel. So today for Feel Good Friday, we're actually going to make some homemade peanut butter cookie cups. Very simple, takes about 30 minutes total to prepare. To begin, you'll want to add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and then mix all the dry ingredients in the bowl. I actually didn't use my mixer, I just mixed by hand. In another bowl, add a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 2/3 cups of unsalted butter, melted, and then also add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 large egg. Add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, then blend all the wet ingredients. I didn't show that part, but I did do it. After I blended it, I added about a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and then I mixed all the wet ingredients again. Then I added my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients bowl and mixed very well. Next, I put my peanut butter mix into my cupcake tin. I did make a little mess around the tin, so I had to clean it up before I baked. But I baked it on 350 degrees for 20 minutes and they came out absolutely perfect. And that is all for this Feel Good Friday. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell down below, and I'll see you next Friday.